What's going on? So today we got a video from police ride-alongs, and the title of the video is "Man Furious, Dollar General Didn't Hire His Friend." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
Today on this ride-along, we've stopped to investigate a complaint about a disorderly man.
That's all. I was just going to turn the radio down.
Okay.
The simple fact of the matter is, I'm trying to help my buddy get a job at Dollar General, and they're acting like they're king shit. They are not.
You're what?
They're acting like they're king shit, like they
At Dollar General?
Yes. He is the best employee they could ever expect. Walk with me. We will walk right through.
We're fine. Just stand over here, okay? I'll go over there and talk to them. I just don't want a situation to pop off if they're already upset with you or vice versa.
Well, I'm telling them to stay away from me. That is quite simply the truth.
Okay.
I have
over there. Is this your truck?
Yeah, it's mine.
Okay.
It's running right now. It's mine.
Okay.
Would you like to see how it works? That's a F-150.
No, I know how a truck works. I got it.
What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to tell them, leave me the alone and leave my friend alone. He's inside right now trying to get a job at this nothing of a establishment. He is trying. He is breaking.
I thought he said she. Didn't he say she in the beginning? Didn't he say she was the best? She's the best employee? Am I tripping?
King shit. They are not.
You're what?
They're acting like they're king shit, like they
At Dollar General?
Yes. He is the best employee they could ever expect. Walk with me. We will walk right through.
We're fine. Just stand over here.
Yes. He is the best employee they could ever expect.
Okay.
Walk with me. We will walk right through.
We're fine. Just stand over here, okay? I'll go over there and talk to them. I just don't want a situation to pop off if they're already upset with you or vice versa.
Well, I'm telling them to stay away from me. That is quite simply the truth.
Okay.
I have
over there. Is this your truck?
Yeah, it's mine.
Okay.
It's running right now. It's mine.
You look intoxicated.
Okay.
Would you like to see how it works? That's a F-150.
No, I know how a truck works. I got it.
What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to tell them, leave me the alone and leave my friend alone. He's inside right now trying to get a job at this nothing of a establishment. He is trying. He is breaking his back. He's doing what Americans are supposed to do. And if they treat him like shit, you're damn right. I will them up. Well, I don't mean in a biblical sense. I mean they will have to deal with me.
Okay. Are you staying here at this motel?
I'll figure out where I'm going when I want to go there.
Okay.
I am decorated.
Daniel, listen. Do you know where you're at right now?
Right here in Leesburg. Leesburg.
This isn't Leesburg.
Leesburg.
This is not Leesburg.
Winter Garden.
Nope. How many quarters make $1, Daniel? 4?
Do you understand when you're trying to ask the
Back up.
do
Don't get close to me.
No, that is
You're walking up onto me.
That is your last warning.
I'm not gonna let you get
Do
on.
not put your hands on me.
Don't
again.
walk up to me.
Do you think that because you got a little shiny badge
Back up.
and a couple of
Back up. I'm not gonna tell you again. Back up.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second. But first, I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
because you got a little shiny badge
Back up.
and a couple of
Back up. I'm not gonna tell you again. Back up.
I will
Daniel, back up.
Oh, you better tighten up
I will own you.
before they get you together.
This is 48 driver responding unit.
But
Back
it's
up.
simply
Now. Stop walking up on me.
He about to get you
can back up
together.
if you're scared.
Back up.
If you're scared, back up.
I'm not
Better
scared.
act right.
I'm right here.
You're trying to challenge.
I'm not challenging you.
I understand.
I'm just telling you. I'm asking you to back up.
I can
Back
see.
up.
It doesn't matter what you're trying to do. You're going to be outperformed.
Take 2 steps back for me.
You shush.
Back up.
Can you tell this dude?
Did you hear him?
Can you tell him
Yeah.
that he can also?
You can back up from him too.
Are you drunk or something like that? 'Cause
I'm
you look
allowed
like
to.
you're out
I'm
of it.
allowed to do whatever I want.
Okay.
What I'm telling you is take 2 steps back if you're scared.
Okay.
I teach people how to do this, and
Okay.
you're acting like a bitch.
What's this deal?
He's going over here causing a bunch of issues with.
Care what
And
you
then
have to say.
Now he's just acting like this.
Your own
So-
face. If I were
this is
to
his
walk
truck.
right
I don't
up
want to be
here,
a truck. It'll be
I will
stuck.
walk right up here.
Put your hands behind your. Put your hands behind your back.
Do you understand?
Stop
He
resisting.
gave you 5 opportunities, so too late now, buddy.
Do you
I told you to stop walking up on me multiple
Well, what's gonna
times.
happen? Looks like you're going in handcuffs, buddy.
I'm a goddamn legend. My legs, I'm a state wrestler. If I wanted to make you trip up, that's what I would do. The simple fact that I'm being kind is I'm being kind.
Kind of being a dick is what you're doing right now.
Well, then leave me alone.
Well, the only reason
Leave
you're
me
like this
alone.
guy.
complaining about you.
All you had to do was listen,
Leave me
Reno.
alone. Leave me alone. That's it.
All right.
I am better than
Go
the
ahead,
best.
the vehicle.
Okay, you being a dick right now.
To dig in my empty pockets, there's nothing in there. I've already been through all level of psychiatric care. Whatever you're trying to do, I've already trumped it.
All right, perfect.
You're just doing this to help you feel better.
Nope.
Yes, you are. Because you thought that I threatened your ego.
Let's see.
Do you know what you're doing?
Yeah, put it in the back of the
You're
car.
wasting $30,000 that I have sitting in my bankroll.
Have a seat.
You're wasting my money.
Have a
I
seat.
will win. Do you somehow think that
Okay,
you're going to
a
win
seat.
this argument? You're
I'm
not.
not-
Gonna-
I'm
You're
not
not.
arguing.
You're not going to win.
Have a seat.
He's drunk too.
He thought he was at Winter Garden or Leesburg. I'm gonna turn the truck off.
I stayed outside with myself for stop walking.
If you kick the door one more time, we're going to charge you with destruction of police property.
I
You're going to destroy this car. Don't do that anymore.
I cannot.
Grab the
I
seat.
cannot
Grab
because
the
the way
seat.
you're holding me. I will if you want me to. Have fun. Have fun. You are about to find out
Okay.
that this is what Americans can do. Show me your little shiny star. The difference is about to be, I win. Whatever. Strap it down.
No, you asked for it. I gave you a warning to stop kicking.
You are wasting your time. And you know
No,
what?
you're wasting our time.
You know what's going to happen? I'm going
You're gonna go to jail.
I'm going to.
The suspect would be charged with resisting without violence.
Yeah, I like that second cop, the skinny one. Yeah, he was cool. He was cool. That's how I be. You know, like I feel like that's how I be, man. He chill, but straight to the point. You feel me? Like the other one, he kind of big for nothing. Like, you know what I mean? Like, whatever. Back up. And then when you actually go to the camera and you see the size difference, you like, man, you better get them together. What you talking? What we doing here? But I get a cost, man. They get a 3, man. Satisfied, man. I'm satisfied. They ain't nothing crazy happened. This is kind of some pretty uneventful body cam footage. Honestly, if I'm being honest, it's like a whole lot of nothing going on. But whatever. This is a newer channel, so Let me see. I just came across these guys right here. Yeah, they got 9 or 6,000 subscribers or whatever. You know, so definitely a newer channel, whatever. But you know, they trying to get their channel together. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.